LKQ Sun Valley. Pick your parts. Out here looking for some parts for the G35, the Camry Solara, and my Accord. With your boy Josh. And there's a whole selection there, and we got a trim piece for my bro. This goes right on the Solara. And I broke it, but it should still sit there flush.
Alright, we got bro right here. We found a seat finally for his 2004? 03 Accord, but same gen, so we got a 2007. This is the donor. The only thing holding the bolt is this last one right here. All three of the other sides are already gone, so we're just desperately fighting for that one. And
dude, it's wild, bro. We found this on the way out. This is like the last shot
one. Yeah,
this was literally Jesus last shot mode.
Last shot wins all type of shit.
Yeah, and this is the only boat holding it together.
Yeah, so we're just like, come on, we gotta try it.
No matter what, I'm buying this fucking thing.
There we go.
Because we came in to look for a seat. We're gonna get a seat.
God will provide.
Yep. Table of plenty, bro. I can't believe it worked. I broke it loose.
There we go. All right, guys. So after a long attempt of trying to get that stupid bolt out, whoever was the owner of this, go suck a dick. Fucking hard time, motherfucking Honda Accord and fucking
pussy.
We had to fucking resort to these and spin the stupid bolt out. And guess what?
Wait.
Guess what?
Oh no, there's still one more.
No, it's not fully off. Yeah, it's off.
It's off, yeah.
Yeah.
So 3 of the 4 are gone. So the last one
is where?
This is the carnage that has led us to this point in time. I'm gonna bring this home.
You fucking destroyed it though.
No.
You hated that part so bad.
This is a sentiment of the last final boss.
This is the twin that you didn't fuck up.
This is the twin that actually was easy.
That's the fucking
This is what I thought was the final boss. This was the final boss.
But
we're off.
Now it's all off.
Houston, we're due for takeoff. Josh, do the honors, my friend.
You got it. Boom, baby.
Nothing is clipped on the bottom?
Yeah. Nope, there's clip. It's clip. It's on
clip?
on this side.
Oh, okay. Perfect. That was what I was thinking, because it's got heated seats.
Yeah, let me unclip it.
We've taken out the bolts and the straps. Let's enjoy the removal of the seat of destiny.
Yes, sir.
Dude, this seat is in such great condition, by the way. Let's open it up and see. Look at the leather. No rips, no tears.
It's got a minor wear on the side, but that's fine.
That's better than
right
what I
here.
have. It just looks good. So good. This thing is still intact.
Pretty man. That's why it was hard to give up on it.
Dude, yeah, it's hard to give up on it. Low-key, I want to steal these mud flaps, but this one seems very destroyed.
Yeah, it's fucked up.
Yeah, this one's pretty destroyed.
It's torn apart.
Yeah.
What about those fenders?
What's up?
Those fenders.
They're not in bad shape. But this thing, as you can see, the collision was pretty severe. So, the rear end collision was pretty hard, but it seems like the seat was intact. Oh, look at this. It's a nice little all-weather floor mat. Nice. Nah, I'm good. I like the front mud flaps, though. See them? It's kind of hard to remove because it needs screws. But the lining is here. It's kind of cool. Besides that, the whole engine's on the floor. And it's, again, a V6. It's a 3.0 VTEC. Josh, drop that shit to the floor, bro.
You sure about that?
Yeah. Or put it on top of the wheelbarrow if you want.
There, here.
Success. Are all the tools out of the car?
No, it's still there.
Yeah, just take them. Yeah.
Here's the seat.
Oh yeah, here. Let me take a picture of it. Here with you, bro. That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Here we go.
Take a seat on this. Can you just record me literally sitting on this chair as I win in life.
All right, here is Earl sitting and enjoying his life on his new chair right there. Look at this man, just happy right there.
I don't even need a seat cover.
That's it. Yeah, I'm just like, you don't even need anything. You're chilling.
I would take the other one off, but I don't got time for that. Ain't
Yeah.
nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got no time for that. All right.
Yeah, but dude, this car, the leather, amazing condition.
Very mint.
Very mint. Very mint.
All right.
Now we're heading out.